joining us. My name is Sandra and I am the Arthritic Artisan. I am doing a Dollar Tree haul for you today. This is my first haul video that I've ever done. So be patient and be kind. And speaking of being patient and being kind, before I show you the DIY haul, you're just gonna have to bear with me and listen to me ramble on for just a second. I would like to give a great big shout out to Kim and Ramona. These poor souls were stuck behind me in line at the Dollar Tree. And 2 hours later, which seems like 2 hours, after I was done getting checked out, Ramona helped me get my stuff to the car. Now, I looked up the name Ramona, and Ramona translated means protecting hands, and that's exactly what she did. So Ramona, thank you so much. You did not have to do that for me. And I think everybody should be just as kind as you are. Look at me. I'm not a movie star. I'm not famous. I'm not the Queen of England. But after that simple act of kindness, I felt loved. I truly did. So Ramona, you're forever in my heart, my thoughts, and my prayers. Kim stayed in line, held down the fort, got all the purchases done so that Ramona could help me. Thank you, thank you, thank you to both you ladies. I would like to encourage everybody just to take a moment and do something kind for somebody. You might not get thanked or praised, but it will come back to you tenfold. That is what we are told, and that is what is going to happen. So let's get on with the haul. Okay, everybody. I don't even know which item to start with. I'm just going to start with first what's in front of me. I love these pails. I use them for everything. I have some little hooks on my wall in front of me, and I keep hot glue sticks in them, some paint brushes, just everything. I just love these. I know what I'm going to do with them. You don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. So you'll just have to watch future videos and wait to find out. They have a lot of good glassware, and I actually do quite a bit of stuff with their glassware, and I'm going to have some tutorials for you on those in the future as well. Okay, so they have these farm trucks, and they've got a red truck that says God Bless America, and then they've got one that says welcome. I know what I'm going to do with these also. I finally got my hands on some of these chalkboard wood stakes. I don't even know what I'm going to do with these yet, but we will see. In the garden section, they've got this rake. I have in my backyard a suburban vegetable garden. We grow a lot of vegetables, so this is going to be really good for me out there. I got a second one, and that one I'm going to use as a back scratcher. I do have an idea now that I'm looking at this for a project, which means I'm going to probably have to go back and get a third one. But yeah, let's try it. Oh my gosh, absolutely. Great back scratcher. Look at my ribbon, y'all. Oh my goodness. They've got the burlap ribbon. They never have this when I'm there, so I got one of each one that I found. They also have organza ribbon there. I got some in navy blue. It's really nice. Now look at this ribbon, y'all. It's 3 yards. It's 9 feet for $1. That's 33 cents a yard. If you find it less expensive anywhere else, please let me know. The organza ribbon, you get 6 yards for $1. That's unbelievable. They have these galvanized buckets there, and the top is wrapped with jute. They have these short, stubby ones, and then they also have the taller, skinnier ones. I use both. I couldn't find any tall, skinny ones. I use the heck out of these when I'm doing projects. So, love those. I finally got my hands on a couple of these birdhouses. I've been trying forever to get these birdhouses. They never have them. They had 3 left. I took all 3. But I also will show you in future videos what I'm going to do with these little babies. Okay, they've got these little mini trays. Now this one has stars in the side, and I figure how great is it for 4th of July, Memorial Day is coming up, Labor Day is in September, so I picked up a few of these, and I do have some ideas in my head, and they make just really great little organizers. Are they the best quality? No. Are they the worst quality? No. So we're going to have some fun with those. Dollar Tree also has these boxes, and they have different pictures on the front. I am not at all worried about the picture that's on the top of these boxes because it's not going to look like that when I get done with them anyway. But they're just a sweet little box with a lid, so we're going to have some fun with those too. Look at these picture frames, y'all. These are so adorable. I love them. And on the back, they have a little piece of a dowel rod and a hole drilled where you can stand it up. I finally got my hands on some of these bamboo cutting boards. These are so stiff and sturdy. I am so surprised and shocked. These are going to be great for doing some kind of, I don't know. I have finally also got my hands on some of these windmills. I've been looking forever. My Dollar Trees, and I do mean Dollar Trees, I have several around me, and just they never have them. Now this is kind of a blue-green, I don't know, sagey blue-green and silver. They also come in black and silver, but I chose this one because I could always paint this black. But if I had to paint the black one to look like this, it would take a lot more work. So yeah, I got a couple of these. I also picked up some stencils while I was there. I got some birds, some flowers, some stars, some butterflies. Now these are not super thick, they're really thin, and that's exactly what I liked about them, because sometimes when I'm doing a project, and I'll show you what I mean, I'm trying to get it down into a corner, and when I'm using the stiff ones, I can never get it to bend right without ruining the stencil. So these actually bend quite easily, and I'll be able to get it down where I need it to be able to stencil in a corner. So that's why I got these, and I'm glad that they're thin. I also got this stencil wheel. Now this one is hearts. It's a lot of different hearts, and let's see if you can see them. Look, that looks like an American flag heart. It's really nice. I like it. Oh my gosh, if I can get my fingers to work. Look at that sweet heart right there. I'm gonna put it here so you can see it. Oh my gosh, look at that. And this one, I love it. It looks like the sun rising and sun setting on water. I don't know. I see the strangest things when I look at things. This one is so sweet. It looks like lace. And then look at all the little hearts making a heart. That's crazy. I love this stencil. I cannot wait to use it. I don't know if, like I said, my Dollar Tree is always empty, but I've never seen these stickers before. But look at these stickers. These are just great. I love it. I really want this clock face because I have a really good idea for that. And I'll show you guys that in a future video. I've got until my death day ideas for things to make. Anyway, I just really like those. Got a couple packs of those. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about these butterflies. Look how big they are. I mean, these are huge. All right, we're gonna open this pack. I have got to show you this. Look, it's a double butterfly. What? Come on. Oh my gosh, that is gonna be so pretty on a project. I cannot wait to use these. Cannot wait to use these. I know that they're springtime. We're coming up on summer. I do not care. There are butterflies in the summertime all over my flowers and my garden, so there you have it. I love these clear plates. If you are a crafter, go get one of these clear plates at the Dollar Tree. I use them for my paint as my paint palette instead of one of those little plastic ones. Why? Because the glass cleans up so easy. It is so easy. I found this flower pot hugger owl. It is so adorable. I love it so much, and I can't wait to change it. Okay, yes, change it. Okay, so Dollar Tree had this, it was a 2-pack. It's a toothpick holder with toothpicks in it. I'm like, what? I use toothpicks all the time, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but this cap has where you can dispense 1, 2, or 3 toothpicks at a time I do use a lot of toothpicks in my crafts. I put one downstairs in my kitchen and one is going to stay in my craft room. I found this divided tray. It's got 3 sections. I do crafts with wood beads, and when I'm crafting I normally have everything just right beside me. I like that this is low profile, so I'm going to be using that for all my items that I craft with that go rolling around. So when I have to use my beads, I'm going to put my beads in here. I just thought it was really, it's going to be a really handy little tool to have. I also picked up this silicone pot holder. I am not going to use it for a pot holder, and I'm not turning it into a craft. I'm going to use it to lay my hot glue gun down on. I am always burning holes in things because I lay my glue gun down, glue gets everywhere, so I really need one of these. Look at these lace doilies. I've been looking for these for a long time. My Dollar Tree never has them. I don't know if they're just a super popular item or what. I know exactly what I'm going to do with it, and I'm not telling you, so you'll just have to wait and find out. They also have these jewel stickers. I got some in navy and I got some in red. Of course, it's red, white, and blue. I didn't find any white pearl ones. There's 216 of these in this package for $1. I picked up some floral foam. I like the ones that hold water better than those crunchy, plasticky floral foams. I always use these when I can. And I mean, I'll use the other ones in a pinch. It's like nails on a chalkboard to me, having to cut through the other ones and listen to it. This thing I'm really excited about. It is a wall mount wire rack, and what I like about it is that they don't have those big balls at the end of them. Like you find a lot of these racks and they have big balls, and you can't slide anything over them. Look at this. I am trying to unbend these. Now I know I don't have, with arthritis, I do not have the strongest hand in the world, but still, it's not bending for me. That is going to hold some weight. I don't know. I think that my wall might give out before this wire rack does. But yeah, go pick up some of these. Super handy. I found this 2-pack of display easels there. I've been looking for some easels that'll hold some of my artwork, and I finally have found these, and they actually hold the piece up, and it holds the weight and it doesn't flop over. I'm really excited about these, 2 for $1. Okay, now I picked up some books. Go check out their book section. These are just nice gifts to pass on to somebody, or say, hey, you know, I'm thinking about you. Less expensive than a greeting card. I mean, you're gonna go out and spend what, $6, $8, $10 on a greeting card. This was $1. This is walking with him in time of comfort, let hope rise, moments for fathers. I mean, there is going to be some type of occasion to give these away. Okay, I do not know why I got this. I am an empty nester. My kids are grown. I don't have any grandbabies yet, but I just liked the picture. It's called the Scarlet Dragon. Honestly, I don't know why I got it. Maybe I'll do a YouTube video where I'm reading the book. I just really want to read this book. I also got this book, which this book is kind of strange. It says Walmart price, $13.98. So why is it in the Dollar Tree if it's got a Walmart sticker on it? It's crazy. Anyway, it was on the New York Times bestsellers list. I am going to read it, and then I am going to pass it on or burn it depending on how I feel about it. No, I won't burn it. I would turn it into a project. Then I found this Asian-inspired machine embroidery. And look, there's a machine embroidery CD in there too. I don't know what kind of picture is going to be on there. I cannot wait to see it. I cannot wait to read this. This is so great. Look at these. Oh my gosh, koi fish and flowers and leaves, and I will get some kind of inspiration from just the colors alone. Look at these hand embroidery. I can't wait to try it. It says machine embroidery, but they were clearly doing it by hand. So anyway, that's that. Look at this little frog. Is he not the most adorable little thing? I love him. And look, his little eyeballs light up. What? I'm not going to change him. I got him just to sit here and make me happy. So I'm going to put him up here on my little shelf, and he can sit there and make me happy. I love frogs. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, we have flowers. Lots of flowers. I'm not going to go through them all, but I am going to go through a couple of them. Look at these. Are they not so pretty? I love anthuriums, and they're red for red, white, and blue. Hello. Okay, I found these also. I was so excited about them. I'm like, oh my gosh, look at that onion grass. That is great. Look at those pretty blue flowers on the onion grass. I didn't know that onion grass made pretty blue flowers. They don't. These are butterflies, y'all. Butterflies. And I'm going to have to iron these out or something, but they are butterflies. I was like, what? What? Okay, I love butterflies. So there's that. Oh my gosh. And then they have the foxtail. I thought it was just really pretty. And yes, you are seeing a lot of red, white, and blue. Lots of red, white, and blue. And we got some lavender stems, and oh my gosh, just so many flowers. I can't even go over it with you. I also got this bucket there because I am out of buckets. I use a lot of these in my DIY projects. I do have a video out on how to get this printing off of the bucket very quickly, very easily. So go watch that and get to crafting with one of these buckets. Go get some. Before I go, I would like to say, while I was at Dollar Tree, these tips kept popping off. Well, the young lady that was checking me out, her name was Brianna. She was picking them up and finding the floral that it goes on, and she was putting them back on there. And I told her, sweetie, you don't have to do that. Just throw it in my bag. You know what she told me? She told me, but I want you to enjoy your shopping experience at Dollar Tree. I was speechless. I didn't even know what to say. I was just blown away. Who says that? What kind of, I mean, I never have that kind of customer service at anywhere. So, Brianna, thank you so much for being so kind. I hope your managers take note of it. And, oh, man, yeah, and good luck to you and your fiance. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. I had a lot of time in line to talk to her. So, anyway, that's it. That's all I got. And until next time, have a magical day.